Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Tesla's future growth and next-gen model, Biden's delay on LNG terminal decision, ASML's record gain, U.S. Steel's bid drama, Piper Sandler's tech favorites and risks, mixed market close with Netflix and Tesla in spotlight. PayPal under watch at Citi, AMD boosted by AI hopes and all the buzz from Tesla earnings call. Stay tuned after this short ad break to delve deeper into these headlines. Tesla's fourth quarter results did not meet expectations, with the revenue standing at $25.2 billion, a rise of 3.5% from the previous year, but falling short by $590 million compared to analysts' forecasts. The firm manufactured close to 495,000 vehicles and delivered more than 484,000, marking an increase of 13% and 20% respectively. However, Tesla has cautioned that the growth in vehicle volume might decelerate in the year 2024 and attributed factory enhancements as the reason for a decrease in volumes.
The decision regarding Venture Global's proposed Calcasieu Pass 2 LNG plant in Louisiana, which is set to be the largest planned LNG export terminal in the U.S., has been postponed by the Biden administration. The Department of Energy is broadening its project assessment to take into account the impacts on climate change. This could potentially affect 16 other proposed terminals and result in an approximate increase of 20% in U.S. gas exports.
ASML, a company that manufactures semiconductor equipment, experienced a nearly 9% increase in its stock value after a strong fourth quarter earnings report. This significant rise is the largest single-day gain since late 2022. Despite predictions of subdued growth, the impressive quarterly results had a positive impact on the entire semiconductor industry. However, experts advise caution as it might not be an ideal time for investment due to potential revaluation uncertainties. ASML anticipates net sales for 2024 to be on par with those of 2023.
Last month, U.S. Steel consented to an all-cash transaction with Nippon Steel at $55 per share. Prior to this agreement, they had received a bid of $54 in cash and stock from an undisclosed party, which we now know was Cleveland-Cliffs. The deal between U.S. Steel and Nippon Steel is valued at over $14 billion. It is anticipated that this transaction will face extensive national security and antitrust reviews.
Piper Sandler, in a recent report, has ranked Alphabet and Meta platforms as highly attractive stocks. On the other hand, Tesla was found to be least favored. The analysis also took into account Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia. Apple's ranking was observed to be close to that of Alphabet and Meta's. However, Nvidia displayed conflicting grades. For determining long-term potential and identifying underperforming risks, the firm utilized its macro select model and sell model respectively.
On Wednesday, United States stocks showed a varied performance. The Nasdaq Composite saw a gain of 0.36%, largely due to an 11% increase in Netflix shares following robust quarterly subscriber growth. The Standard & Poor's 500 also experienced a slight advancement, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 0.26%. Investors are currently focusing on the forthcoming quarterly results from Tesla. In other news, Treasury yields experienced a surge following an unfavorably received auction of $61 billion, and business activity recorded its quickest rise in 7 months as per S&P Global's preliminary U.S. Composite Purchasing Managers Index reading for January.
Citi has placed PayPal Holdings under a 30-day observation due to the possibility of slower than anticipated profit growth. Possible solutions could involve terminating less profitable contracts, potentially leading to a decrease in transaction dollar growth. The new management may also choose not to provide a full-year forecast, which could negatively affect the stock that recently experienced a 1.7% decline. However, despite these circumstances, both SA analysts and Wall Street continue to uphold a buy rating for PayPal.
Advanced Micro Devices, also known as AMD, a semiconductor company, saw its shares rise by more than 6% after receiving an upgrade from New Street Research. This upgrade was due to AMD's promising potential in the field of artificial intelligence. New Street Research forecasts a substantial market growth for AI chips and highlights AMD for its valuation and upside expectations. The firm projects that by 2024, AMD's revenue from data center GPU will reach $3.4 billion, which is significantly higher than the company's own predictions.
Shares of Tesla experienced a decline following the announcement of automotive margins falling below 20%, coupled with a forecast of slower vehicle growth in the year 2024. The company's current focus is on a novel platform and initiating production at Gigafactory, Texas, an endeavor that promises to bring about significant changes in car manufacturing. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, underscored the company's superior AI capabilities and rapid progress in developing their Optimus humanoid robot. This could potentially evolve into Tesla's largest business sector. Despite witnessing a dip in share value, Musk maintains his vision for Tesla to ascend as the most valuable company globally. And that's a wrap for today's daily business and finance show. Remember, the market never sleeps, so keep investing wisely. Until next time, stay informed and prosperous. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. See you later, until tomorrow comes around. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.